It's that time.
It's 151 Sundays. Charizard, Blood Stories, and Venusaur. The originals can't ask for more. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's 151 Sundays. Catching dreams on Pokemon TCG.
151 Sunday is officially on. The Master Set grind is moving fast. We're currently at 176 of 368 cards. But get ready, because we have a huge uptick coming thanks to a generous donation from a member of the Portimon family. I've got more videos showing off these new additions coming very soon. For now, let's see if we can pull another banger. Comment your favorite card below. Let's see how we do.